Hello guys, so today in this video we are going to see complete live review about this awesome product called AI Agent, which is the first to market AI driven app that lets you hire professional graphic designer, nutritionist, legal and financial advisor, software developer, digital marketing and affiliate marketing expert, event planner, travel advisor, social media advisor, chef, astrologer and much more, and fulfill and outsource your all the tasks for lifelong at low one-time price. So watch the complete video to see full demo of it, how it works, it various features and many more. And guys, if you get access to it right now, I have 5 plus amazing bonuses totally free worth rupees $2,500 for you. So to learn more about it or to grab this limited time period offer, definitely check out the link in the description down below guys. So now let's get started.